Hi, I'm Carol Bubar, and I am the TAD Business Unit Director here at adaQuest.
Hello, I am Bruno Lecoq, and I am the Chief Operating Officer here at adaQuest.
So what is TAD? Can you tell us what it is as a product and what does it do for its users?
TAD stands for Think, Act, Deliver, or our TAD methodology. It really is a system and a process to help clients go from getting clear on their strategy all the way through consistent execution of their strategy. And our TAD software actually helps make using the methodology really easy.
So there are so many books, articles, thought papers available on strategy. Did we really need another tool? Defend your case.
Well, what we find is the literature out there and many of the thought leaders spend a lot of time on strategy and less or so on strategy execution. So there are a lot of leadership teams that focus on their strategy and put the binders on the shelf, and the literature and many of the tools out there focus mostly there. And so I think where we're different is we focus on actually executing the strategy.
So if I understand correctly, TAD is a strategy execution tool. If we research on Google today, we would see many competitors in the market for TAD. What differentiates TAD from the market?
So I think one of the main difference is we are holistic. So we go from the strategy to the full execution, but also we try to have the just enough, which means we don't ask at the task level. So we try to make it again high level enough, be able to be usable every day, but not having the tool drive you. You get the help of the tool, not the opposite.
Yep, I'd also add to that there are many point solutions. So there's tools in Think, there's tools in Act with the project management tools, there's BI and analytics. And one thing that TAD does is actually connects to many of those best-in-class tools. And so as Bruno pointed out, it's very holistic and it's actually kind of the connective tissue that would bring them all together.
So again, going off your corporate experiences, all strategy products are marketed as user-friendly. Is TAD methodology simple?
I would start and say that at a very foundational level, simplicity is one of our core principles that TAD is built from. I think having just enough process and just enough structure is something that we take true to heart, and making it easy and meeting clients and the business need right where they're at and not having any more process or structure than is needed is something that we truly believe in.
I'm going to assume our readers are going to understand the methodology piece easier. Where does the software come into play? Can you tell us a little bit about its usage and functionality?
Yeah, I think from any company, hopefully they all have a mission and a vision. So they all, from an ownership or leadership team, depending on the size of the company, they kind of again discuss every year what are they going to do, and then at the end they have a binder they put on the shelf. From our perspective, the software remove the binder from the shelf and give you the one place to keep your track of how you are going days after days if you want.
What would be the right audience for TAD? For example, could a 5-people company use it?
So yes, so again, from any company in the world, whatever you are, even a 2-person or a Fortune 100, you all need to have a strategy, to have an idea. The software is simple enough that any size company can use it. We have clients that goes from a bakery to Fortune 100 companies, so the answer is yes.
So in what scenarios TAD may not be the right solution for an organization?
I would say for companies that have very mature processes, companies that have their data analytics and their dashboards and their processes very built out and very well functioning, perhaps the benefits of a solution like TAD wouldn't it be as much of a benefit for them because they're already reaping a lot of those benefits from their internal solutions.
And I think we'll add 2 things. The first one is either the leader or the leadership team Are they ready for change? We have seen some time when we do our assessment and we realize that the leaders, will not want to change anything. They want to do their way or no way. So from our perspective, we don't engage because we know TAD will fail. And the second one is again around accountability. TAD will drive accountability in your company. So if it's not what you are looking for, TAD is also not for you.
How about what if an organization realizes they can benefit from TAD, but they're only interested in the methodology or consulting services, not necessarily the software? Would that be okay?
Yeah, absolutely. As we've talked about, TAD, the methodology, is just that. The software makes it easy, but there's no reason why you couldn't just use the methodology. We have resources that can help with that. We also have a very robust partner network that we have certified in TAD, and so again, feel free to contact us and we'd be happy to figure out what services are appropriate.